compact 2025 Toyota Corolla is set to enter its 5th model year on sale, since it arrived for its 12th generation in 2020. Reports indicate that the Corolla could arrive with a full redesign, though we don't know if that's for the 2025 or 2026 model year. If Toyota comes out with a fully redesigned Corolla for the 2025 model year, we expect the compact vehicle to arrive with a new design. We haven't seen Toyota testing any pre-production vehicles, but the compact car's redesign should bring a more upscale look to the compact car. We could see the Corolla move to a more high-end look like the recent Prius and Crown, with sharp headlights, a wide front air intake, a slim grille, and a thin horizontal taillight. The 2025 Toyota Corolla should continue to be available with gas-powered and hybrid engines. We expect Toyota to update the current Corolla's 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. The current Toyota Corolla comes packed with advanced safety features. The compact car comes with forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high-beam headlights.